In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Instagram to Clubhouse. So do you have an Instagram account and you want to link it to Clubhouse? Just make sure you watch till the end. So for fun tips, tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So then now all you have to do is open your Clubhouse application when you're signed in, and then tap right upper in that right hand upper corner where you see AA. Those are initials for your account names, and then you see the word add Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Yes, when you tap on Instagram, as you can see, that is my Instagram account. Then you tap on continue as Albert Ahumza. Yes, tap on it, then it will redirect you to this. You will see this, and then you will have to tap on allow. Just tap on allow. Yes, after tapping on allow, this will come up. So successfully connected to Instagram. So by doing that, you have been able to connect your Clubhouse account to Instagram. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more tech tips, tricks. So thanks for watching.